In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make an image circular in Wix. Now, if you take a look at my screen right here, you can see that I have this image, and this is the image that I'm going to be making into a circle. Now, bear in mind that it doesn't matter what shape or size your image is, the process is pretty much exactly the same. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and then click on the image they want to make circular. In my case, like I said, it's going to be this image right here. So I'm going to click on it to highlight it. And once you've done that, you will get a bunch of different options either above the image or below it, depending on positioning. And then the button you want to click on is the design button right here. From here, as you can see, my current frame is just a perfect kind of rectangle. But if I scroll down a little bit, I will be able to find the circular one right here. There's also one with a border if you wanted to, but I'm going to go for the normal one without a border. Now, to save this, click on X. And as you can see, the image is now not a perfect circle yet. So what we need to do is simply drag it from either left or the right, because my image is long. So I'm going to drag it across. And if you pay attention to the top left corner of the screen, you will see the width and the height. Make sure that these are the exact same measurement, just so you can basically make a perfect circle. Might be a little bit difficult. And there you go. This is what the image looks like. Now, if you want to edit the image and you want to show a different part of the image within that circle, what you need to do is go to the crop tool down here, and then basically just move the image across. So for example, I'm going to move the woman right here in the middle, so that way it'll be perfectly in the center of the circle. And as you can see, it has now saved. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make an image circular in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.